Hello guys, it's Chef Amos. If this is your first time, you're welcome. I share food, lifestyle and skincare videos. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my other social media platforms at Chef Amos. Thank you. So today we're going to make a special recipe that someone have requested for a long time, and alhamdulillah I'm making this recipe now. We'll be making semovita, okay? Some people call it semolina. Let's dive in. To get started, we'll first add water in the pot and allow it to boil. And then we mix our semo powder with water until it has this running like consistency. I had to do this off my normal setup because you should understand, yeah. Then I'm adding water and mixing until you've achieved the right consistency you want. You can reduce the quantity of semo you make, or you can increase the quantity to make more semo. So this is the consistency you should be looking for. Now our water is boiling. We'll add the mixture in and mix very well. Please don't stop at this stage, just keep mixing. If not, you might end up with lumps. And in the case whereby you end up with lumps, just keep mixing, keep turning until all the lumps are dissolved. Unfortunately, I stopped to adjust my setup, and it's it just makes lumps, but you will see how all the lumps will dissolve. Basically, you just keep mixing, keep turning until you're satisfied with what you see. I haven't added semo powder, I haven't added water or anything. It's just the normal mixture that has thickened up a bit. So I will just keep turning until I'm satisfied, and then I will cover the pot and allow it to cook. Allowing your semo to cook, remove that sugary taste of the semo, because if you taste the semo and it has this sugary taste, that means it isn't done, it isn't cooked thoroughly. So you just allow it to cook very well, okay? Okay, I'm still mixing and turning. Yeah, but this will take you up some minutes to make semo. It's not that hard to make semo. So just mix it until you're satisfied, like I've mentioned earlier, and then you're good to go. You cover the pot and allow it to cook on low heat. I forgot this important information. Allow it to cook on low heat, okay, for some minutes. After that, this is after some minutes, and I will just turn it again and mix, and then I will show you how I package my semo for later use. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my videos. Also follow me on Instagram at Chef Amos, and I will see you guys in the next video. You can comment down below what other video you want me to record for you, and inshallah, hopefully if I have the ingredients at home, I might record one for you, okay? So thank you guys. Sorry, I forgot one important step that I forgot to mention is, as you can see in the video, the semo looks a little bit too soft, but I assure you, if you just package it and just allow it to rest, it firms up and you're good to go. Also, if I got several wraps of semo from this recipe, you can add more semo. You can increase the quantity to get more, or reduce the quantity to get less. That is the two things I forgot to mention. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.